The squat is a movement that puts a tremendous amount of demand on several parts of our body, one such body part being our trunks. For our intents and purposes today, we're going to qualify the trunk as a combination of the muscles in front of us as well as the muscles behind us that support a braced and rigid spine. The demands that are placed on the trunk during the squat become most evident when performing a loaded squat, such as a barbell back squat or a kettlebell front squat. However, the importance of a rigid trunk extends even to the unloaded versions of these movements, as rigidity through the trunk and by extension the pelvis can improve the efficiency of the several muscles that connect into the pelvis that are responsible for extending and flexing our hips as we go through the concentric and the eccentric components of the movement. So what we're going to talk about today is an exercise that's going to allow you to develop a good connection between your mind and the muscles in your trunk that are responsible for bracing you in the bottom position of the squat within the context of the squat. And this is going to be called a squat stance Paloff press. To perform this movement, you're going to need two things. One is a long resistance band, and the other is going to be an anchor point that is sturdy enough such that it will not come flying at you in the middle of your set. What you're going to do is you're going to take the resistance band into both hands and orient your hands in the midline of your trunk. The next is going to be to achieve a full depth squat to the best of your ability, and then finally you are going to alternate between extending and retracting the arms for repetitions. I'm going to demonstrate that movement now. Throughout this exercise, your goal will be to maintain a sufficiently braced trunk such that even when your hands are at their farthest point in front of you, the band is not able to impart any rotational force on you. This exercise should be performed on both sides so that you experience an equal amount of a right rotation and a left rotation force for the sake of a comprehensive and a symmetrical strengthening stimulus.